Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily rob the jewelry store in Roblox Wanted. I'll provide a complete step-by-step guide on how to pull off this heist from start to finish. So make sure to watch until the very end, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, we are going to need a vault cracker. Head over to this exact location at the port to find the NPC named Rod. Approach him, press the E key to browse his shop, and purchase the vault cracker. Next, we need to buy a buzz saw. For this, mark the pawn shop on your map. Head over there, and you can easily buy the buzz saw from the NPC vendor. Once you have both tools, make your way to the jewelry store, which you can locate on the far right side of your map. Keep in mind that this area is a combat zone, meaning other players or enemies can attack and hit you here, so be careful. When you arrive, select your drill and plant it on the vault door. Now, you just have to wait a moment for the drill to break open the vault. Watch out though, because the vault cracker will randomly stop working. Every time it jams, you will need to look at it and hold down the E key to fix it. Once it pops open, use your buzz saw to harvest and loot the jewelry inside. After you are done clearing out the store, head straight to the syndicate base. You can sell your looted items to Sir B here for double the price. And that is the complete tutorial on how to pull off the jewelry store heist. I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.